Ready? Okay.
You guys ready? Ladies and gentlemen,
We're back.
we're back. Season 2
Season 2, Sled
of
Talkers.
Sled Talkers.
Sweet.
Cool.
It's been a fun summer,
Yeah.
but it seems like this past week, I mean, there's been a lot happened inside the sled industry that we don't want to take a lot of time.
No.
Being the episode back, but let's
Welcome back.
quickly run by some stuff.
All right. Real quick. Demos are for sale. We're working on pricing, so check our website.
Yeah,
That's
because
really cool.
Polaris
Factory Authorized Clearance event has
Now-
started early. So
with
that
snowmobiles
is
too.
Sweet. Yes.
So awesome.
And we're back talking about snowmobiles. We had a great season. Don't know really fully what we're doing for this season.
But it's
We
gonna
have
be
some
fun.
ideas. We're gonna have fun.
27s just shipped this week
27s
too.
are shipping. Full size. The 200s are coming out. As of right now, we only have one left. So if you guys are looking for the Polaris 200,
Give Jordan a call. Put your name on the last one.
so
What else?
housekeeping, because I think this is really important.
Absolutely.
So this is from the Colorado Off-Highway Vehicle Coalition. So yes, it affects mountain riding, but when issues like this start coming into our community, we need to all come together. So we'll put a link in our comments. But
Below.
August 8th is the deadline for the comments. We could really have everybody's help and supporting Alternative 3. We'll put a link in the comments, and they will explain it better because they understand it. But basically, our riding areas are being under threat, our usage, and if it affects one state, it affects everybody
It
because
will-
we are
it-
on one
yes.
giant community. So
And especially in Colorado. Colorado, I think, is a lot of the mountain hub, and now if it's going to affect
Exactly.
Colorado,
Well,
they're going to
especially-
start taking away areas from
yeah,
Michigan, Wisconsin,
let's not do that.
Wyoming.
I want usage.
Utah.
I want to be able to use all of our lands, right? And it's not just on a snowmobile side of things. This is a snowmobile related, but like I want our lands to be able to be used for everybody.
Well, and it's not like, I mean,
So-
I think it's one of those things, too, where they're worried about, the snowmobilers getting fit in with the community or EPA, this and that, and they don't realize that, like, our regulations are, like, well extended into the 2030, 2035 season and stuff like that.
These things go, it's not just like a today thing, it's like years. This is a generational impact happening, and your voice can be heard up until August 8th, right? Generationals. I said that weird, but you understand, right? It's you, your grandkids, grandkids. This is important. If you love snowmobiling, my ask is to go in, submit a comment. Cool, you took 30 seconds of your life to help out the whole community.
I already did my comment.
So let's get this done.
And let's look forward to an awesome season. It's going to be epic.
It's going to be great. We got cool things going on. We'll have some trips planned. Some different things. Ride
Yeah.
with some new people this year.
Absolutely.
And it's around the
We're
corner.
excited.
Yeah.
Oh, and it's Hawaiian Shirt Friday.
On that note, we'll see you guys out there.